Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2012 Mitsubishi Challenger wagon. It's a rear-wheel drive auto, 4D56 2.5 turbo diesel. It's had a little bit of water on the carpet, but it's a good, clean, straight car. Just do a quick walk around and I'll get to the compliance plates. Show you inside. I'll just start it up. In fact, 151,828 kilometres, ticking away there. Tailgate, tow bar. Nice and standard, not been butchered. So get the bonnet up. So there you have it. One Mitsubishi Challenger for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Sounds like a kitten. Go forever. So if you need some Challenger parts or any other parts that matter, give us a call on that number on the wall. It's 0246461733. Parts Plus team would love to help you out. So give them a call on the number on the wall. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.